Hello kids, today's topic is permanent tissue from anatomy of flowering plants. So what is permanent tissue? Permanent tissue are made up of fully grown and mature cell who do not divide further. Permanent tissue are two types, simple and complex. Simple tissues are made up of one types of cell and complex tissue are made up of many types of cell. Simple tissue are three types, parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. And complex tissue are two types, xylem and phloem. Now we talk about simple tissue. So in simple tissue, first is parenchyma. Parenchyma cells are isodimetric. So they are same in dimension size. Okay. And they found in different shape like round, oval, polygonal, spherical, elongated. So they are very in shape. Cell wall is thin and made up of cellulose. Intercellular space is present. And parenchyma cell form major component within organ like cortex and perform photosynthesis, storage and secretion. Now collenchyma. Collenchyma found below epidermis as homogeneous layer or in patches in dicot plants. Also the cell wall is thick at the corner due to deposition of cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin, and cells are closely packed, so there is no intercellular spaces present. Sometimes chloroplast is found, so they assimilate food. Okay, they form food. Collenchyma are supporting tissue, so they support young stem and petiole of leaf. Now sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma is made up of dead cells without protoplast, and sclerenchyma found in two types, fibers and scleroid. Fibers are long, elongated, pointed cells. They have a cavity lumen and thick cell wall because of lignin. And this fiber is found in groups in many parts of the plant. Scleroid is spherical, oval, and cylindrical in shape, and it has thick wall with numerous pits. Because of this thick wall, they have narrow cavity lumen. And sclerenchyma provide mechanical support to organ, also found in foot wall of nuts, pulp of fruit like pear, guava, endocarp of drupe, seed coat of legume, and leaves of tea tree. Next is complex permanent tissue. Complex tissue are two types, xylem and phloem. Xylem perform conduction of water in plants, and it is one-sided movement, unidirectional. Okay, it is unidirectional. Water go from roots to upper part of the plant body. And xylem is made up of tracheids, vessels, xylem fiber, and xylem parenchyma. Tracheids are long, elongated tube with tapering ends. Okay, and tracheids are arranged like this, and this overlapping wall have pits, so water move from one tracheids to another. Now vessels are made up of many cells called vessel member, and it is hollow from inside, and they have perforation plates, so water move from one to another vessel. Now let's talk about xylem fiber. Xylem fiber provide mechanical support to xylem. It can be septate or aseptate. Okay. And xylem parenchyma help in radial conduction of water. When xylem is formed, first primary xylem is formed. Okay. Primary xylem. And then secondary. First form primary xylem is called protoxylem and later form metaxylem. So when protoxylem at center and metaxylem at periphery, that is called endarch, and opposite is exarch. Next is phloem. Phloem help in transportation of food within plants. Phloem is made up of seed cell or seed tube, companion cell, phloem parenchyma, and phloem fiber. The direction of food, flow of food is two-sided. Okay, and sieve tube are long tube-like structure. They have perforated plate, okay, and wall, and that is called sieve plate. Sieve tube is surrounded by companion cell which have nucleus. Companion cell maintain pressure gradient in sieve tube so the food can be transported. Now phloem parenchyma store food. Okay, and phloem fiber made up of sclerenchymatous cell and sclerenchymatous cell, and also some plants phloem fiber used for commercial purpose like hemp, jute, and flax. So the topic is done. I hope you like it. Please like, share, subscribe my channel.